This is one of those gaming desktops that doesn't rely on flashy marketing to stand out. But once you actually go through the specs in real-world use, it starts to make a lot of sense. The Slate Gaming PC desktop is powered by the Intel Core Ultra 7 265F, combined with an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5060 Ti 8GB GPU. Alongside that, you're getting 16 GB of DDR5 RAM clocked at 5200 MHz and a 1TB NVMe SSD. It also comes pre-installed with Windows 11 Home, and you even get a gaming keyboard and mouse included, so you're not starting from scratch. Now this category of gaming PCs is probably the most important one right now. Not ultra high-end builds, not entry-level machines, but something right in the middle that delivers strong performance without going overboard on price. That's exactly where this system fits. Starting with performance, the Intel Core Ultra 7 265F is designed for modern workloads. It handles gaming smoothly, but it also keeps things responsive when you're multitasking. Opening apps, switching between tasks, even light editing or streaming. It all feels fast and consistent. Then there's the RTX 5060 Ti. This GPU is aimed directly at 1080p Ultra gaming and 1440p high settings. And thanks to features like DLSS and frame generation, it can push higher frame rates in supported titles without sacrificing too much visual quality. That's a big deal because newer games are getting more demanding every year. In real usage, competitive games run effortlessly, often hitting high frame rates that take full advantage of high refresh rate monitors. For more demanding AAA titles, the system still performs well, especially with some optimized settings. It's not built for maxed out 4K gaming, but that's not what it's trying to be. Memory is another area where things feel well thought out. 16 GB of DDR5 RAM is fast and efficient, and it's enough for most gaming and daily tasks. If you plan to push into heavier workloads like advanced editing or heavy multitasking, upgrading later is always an option, but for most users, this setup is already solid. Storage is handled by a 1TB NVMe SSD, which keeps everything running quickly. Boot times are short, games load fast, and the overall system feels responsive. Plus, 1TB gives you enough room to install multiple modern games without immediately worrying about space. Design-wise, the system keeps things simple and functional. It doesn't go overboard with aggressive styling or unnecessary lighting. Instead, it focuses on being clean and practical, which actually makes it easier to fit into different setups whether you're going for a minimal desk or a full gaming environment. So who is this really for? This setup is ideal for gamers who want smooth performance at 1080p or 1440p without dealing with complicated builds or upgrades. It's also great for students, content creators starting out, or anyone who needs a reliable PC that can handle both work and play. If your goal is pushing ultra settings at 4K with heavy ray tracing, you'll probably need something more powerful. But for the majority of users, this level of performance is exactly where the value is. What makes this system stand out is how balanced everything feels. The CPU and GPU are well matched, the memory is fast enough for modern use, and the storage keeps everything feeling quick. There's no obvious bottleneck, and nothing feels unnecessarily overpowered either. That kind of balance is what makes a gaming PC actually enjoyable to use day to day. It's not just about specs on paper, it's about how everything works together in real situations. If you're thinking about getting this system, check the link in the description for more details and availability.